What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So we have a oil change and maintenance inspection request with A and B service due on a Honda Earth Dreams. Also has a check engine light on, which the customer never said anything to the service writer, and I'm not sure why. I'm just curious about that. You could tell that this air filter hasn't been changed or declined in a very long time. That's not good. I suspect the cabin air filter is probably the same. They also have some exhaust noise that I'm going to investigate right now. Is this horrible? No. Is it going to get worse? Yes. Just get it up in the air real quick, take an undercarriage view of what's going on. Could use a headlight restoration too. I mean, that really makes your car look so much better that your headlights aren't disgusting. Doesn't make your car look old either. You know, once these are shined up, it makes the car look newer. And then he had a request for some rear brakes. Just curious if he was somewhere else or he was here before and he had some recommended but declined. He or she, I'm not really sure. So the valve cover is not leaking enough to come down and drip underneath the car. Front brakes look good, front end was quiet. It's just a little noisy muffler, how about that? Not so bad. Yeah, the rear brakes are just about due. All right, people. Thanks for watching.